Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here today. Today's episode is about at the airport. This lesson will help you feel calm at the airport. You will learn words and phrases that you can use when you travel. You will hear short sentences. You will hear simple dialogues. You can listen and repeat. You can practice with me. First, I will tell you what we will do in this lesson. We will learn important vocabulary. We will learn simple questions and answers. We will practice check-in. We will practice security. We will practice asking for the gate. We will practice boarding and luggage. We will practice problems like delays and lost bags. At the end, you will feel more ready to use English at the airport. Now I will give a list of common words that you will hear at the airport. I will say the word. Then I will say a short meaning. Repeat after me when I ask you to repeat. Passport, a travel document. Repeat after me, passport. Passport. Ticket, a paper or code for your flight. Repeat after me, ticket. Ticket. Boarding pass, a card that lets you get on the plane. Repeat after me, boarding pass. Boarding pass. Check-in, the place to get your boarding pass and your bag tag. Repeat after me, check-in. Check. Gate, the place where you go to the plane. Repeat after me, gate. Gate. Security, the place where your bags and your body are checked. Repeat after me, security. Security. Customs, the place where officers check what you bring into a country. Repeat after me, customs. Customs. Immigration, the place where officers check your passport. Repeat after me, immigration. Immigration. Carry on, a small bag you take to the plane. Repeat after me, carry on. Carry on. Checked bag, a large bag you give to the airline. Repeat after me, checked bag. Checked bag. Boarding, the time to get on the plane. Repeat after me, boarding. Boarding. Delay, when a flight is late. Repeat after me, delay. Delay. Cancel, when a flight does not go. Repeat after me, cancel. Cancel. Layover, a short stop between flights. Repeat after me, layover. Layover. Now I will give examples of common sentences and short dialogues. I will speak slowly. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I will also give little role plays. You can listen and practice. Situation 1, check in at the counter. Agent, good morning. How can I help you? Traveler, good morning. I have a reservation. My name is Maria Lopez. Agent, may I see your passport and ticket, please? Traveler, here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Agent, thank you. Do you have any bags to check? Traveler, yes. I have one large suitcase to check. Agent, please put the suitcase on the scale. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag? Traveler, no. The liquids are in my carry-on. The laptop is in my carry-on. Agent, thank you. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is a 12. Boarding time is 11:15. Have a nice flight. Traveler, thank you very much. Repeat with me. Good morning. I have a reservation. My name is Maria Lopez. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Do you have any bags to check? Here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Please put the suitcase on the scale. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is a 12. Boarding time is 11:15. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will show a short version for check-in at a kiosk. Machine, welcome. Please enter your last name. Traveler, Lopez. Machine, select your flight. Traveler, 11:15 to New York. Machine, would you like to check a bag? Traveler, yes. Machine, place your bag on the scale. Traveler, done. Machine, here is your boarding pass. Print your bag tag. Traveler, thank you. Repeat a few lines. Welcome. Please enter your last name. Select your flight. Would you like to check a bag? Place your bag on the scale. Here is your boarding pass. Print your bag tag. Pause now if you need to repeat. Situation 2, security screening. Officer, hello. Please put your bags on the belt. Traveler, here are my bags. Officer, please remove your shoes and your belt. Place your laptop in a separate tray. Traveler, okay. My shoes are off. My laptop is in the tray. Officer, walk through the scanner, please. Traveler, I am walking through now. Officer, you are clear. Please take your things. Traveler, thank you. Repeat these lines. Please put your bags on the belt. Remove your shoes and your belt. Place your laptop in a separate tray. Walk through the scanner, please. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Situation 3, asking for the gate and the time. Traveler, excuse me. Where is gate A12? Airport staff, go straight. Turn left at the shops. Gate A12 is on the left. Traveler, thank you. What time does boarding start? Airport staff, boarding starts at 11:15. The flight will begin boarding at 11:15. Traveler, thank you very much. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Where is gate A12? Go straight. Turn left at the shops. Boarding starts at 11:15. You can pause the video now and repeat. Situation 4, at the departure gate. Agent, welcome to Flight 123 to New York. We will begin boarding in 10 minutes. Traveler, is this the right gate for Flight 123? Agent, yes. Please have your boarding pass ready. Traveler, can I board early for a baby or for special assistance? Agent, yes. We will call early boarding for families and passengers who need help. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. Welcome to Flight 123 to New York. We will begin boarding in 10 minutes. Is this the right gate for Flight 123? Please have your boarding pass ready. We will call early boarding. You can pause the video and repeat any line that I said. Situation 5, on the plane and to a flight attendant. Flight attendant, hello. Welcome aboard. Traveler, hello. Thank you. My seat is 14. Flight attendant, please place your bag in the overhead bin. Would you like water or juice? Traveler, water please. Flight attendant, here is your water. Enjoy your flight. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. Hello. Welcome aboard. My seat is 14. Please place your bag in the overhead bin. Would you like water or juice? Here is your water. You can pause the video and repeat now. Situation 6, immigration on arrival. Officer, good afternoon. May I see your passport, please? Traveler, yes. Here is my passport. Officer, what is the purpose of your visit? Traveler, I am here on holiday. Officer, how long will you stay? Traveler, I will stay for 7 days. Officer, enjoy your stay. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. May I see your passport, please? What is the purpose of your visit? I am here on holiday. How long will you stay? I will stay for 7 days. Pause and repeat if you need time. Situation 7, customs on arrival. Officer, do you have anything to declare? Traveler, no. I have no items to declare. Officer, welcome and enjoy your stay. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. Do you have anything to declare? I have no items to declare. You can pause the video and repeat one more time. Situation 8, problems at the airport. Delay. Agent, we are sorry. Flight 123 is delayed 2 hours. Traveler, why is the flight delayed? Agent, there is a weather problem. Traveler, what can I do now? Agent, you can wait at the gate. We will update you. You can get a meal voucher if the delay is long. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. We are sorry. Flight 123 is delayed 2 hours. There is a weather problem. You can wait at the gate. You can get a meal voucher. You can pause the video and repeat these lines. Situation 9, a canceled flight. Agent, I am sorry. Flight 123 is canceled. Traveler, what are my options? Agent, we can put you on the next flight. Or we can give you a refund. Traveler, please put me on the next flight. Agent okay. Here is your new boarding pass. Traveler thank you. Repeat. Flight 123 is cancelled. What are my options? Please put me on the next flight. Here is your new boarding pass. Pause and repeat now if you want to practice. Situation 10, lost luggage. Traveler, my bag is missing. My bag did not arrive. Agent, I am sorry. Did you check the carousel? Traveler, yes. My bag is not there. Agent, please fill this form. We will search for your bag. Do you have a description of the bag? Traveler, yes. It is a black suitcase with a red ribbon. Agent, thank you. We will call you with an update. Traveler, thank you very much. Repeat. My bag is missing. Did you check the carousel? Please fill this form. We will search for your bag. It is a black suitcase with a red ribbon. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Situation 11, asking for help and directions. Traveler, excuse me. Where is a restroom? Airport staff, go straight. The restrooms are near the coffee shop. Traveler, thank you. Where is the baggage claim? Airport staff, go down the escalator. The baggage claim is on the lower level. Traveler, thank you. Repeat. Where is a restroom? The restrooms are near the coffee shop. Where is the baggage claim? The baggage claim is on the lower level. Pause now and repeat any sentence you like. Situation 12, changing seats or a seat request. Traveler, excuse me. Is this seat taken? Passenger, no. You can sit here. Traveler, thank you. Traveler to flight attendant, I would like a window seat. Is there a window seat available? Flight attendant, let me check. Yes. You can move to seat 16. Traveler, thank you very much. Repeat. Is this seat taken? You can sit here. I would like a window seat. Is there a window seat available? You can pause and repeat now. Situation 13, asking for assistance with a language. Traveler, excuse me. Can you speak slowly, please? Agent, yes. I will speak slowly. Traveler, thank you. Can you write the flight time for me? Agent, yes. The boarding time is 11:15. Traveler, thank you very much. Repeat. Can you speak slowly, please? I will speak slowly. Can you write the flight time for me? The boarding time is 11:15. Pause and repeat if you need more time. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. This is a short monologue that you can use at many places. Listen and then try to say it. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am traveling to London. I will stay for 5 days. I am here for tourism. I have a return ticket. Here is my passport and my ticket. Thank you for your help. Repeat with me slowly. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am traveling to London. I will stay for 5 days. I am here for tourism. I have a return ticket. Here is my passport and my ticket. Thank you for your help. You can pause now and say the whole monologue one time. Practice it loud. Practice it twice. I will now give more short sentences that are very useful. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter? Where is my airline desk? I need help with my bag. I need a wheelchair. I have a connecting flight. How much is the taxi to the city? Where can I get a map? Where is lost and found? Can I change my seat? Can I have extra legroom? Will the flight have a meal? Is there Wi-Fi on the plane? How long is the delay? Can I get a voucher for food? Where do I go for customs? Where is the exit? Is there a shuttle to the hotel? Repeat all these sentences now. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence one by one. Practice with your own voice. Try to say each sentence twice. Tips for good communication at the airport. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. Use simple words. Say please and thank you. Show your documents when you are asked. Do not be afraid to ask a staff member for help. Say, I am sorry if you need to move or if you bump into someone. Practice these phrases before you travel. Practice here with me now. I will give a short practice routine. Say each sentence. Then say it again louder. Then say it with a friend or with a phone recorder. Practice 1. Hello. My name is Ben. Practice 2. May I see your passport, please? Practice 3. Where is gate A12? Practice 4. I need help with my bag. Practice 5. My bag is missing. Practice 6. Flight 123 is delayed. Practice 7. I would like a window seat. Practice 8. Where is immigration? Practice 9. Do you have any forms to fill? Practice 10. Thank you for your help. Now you have many lines to practice. You can pause the video after each line and repeat as many times as you want. It is okay to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more you will improve. A few final helpful expressions for good manners and safety. Please speak clearly. Please wait in line. Please show your boarding pass. Thank you for your patience. Excuse me, may I pass? Sorry, I am late. Can you help me, please? I think this is my seat. I am allergic to nuts. I need to go to the medical office. Is this flight on time? When does the flight arrive? Where can I get a taxi? Repeat these phrases now. Please speak clearly. Please wait in line. Please show your boarding pass. Thank you for your patience. You can pause the video and repeat. Remember to check the signs at the airport. Watch the monitors for gate and time changes. Carry important documents in your carry-on. Keep medicines in your carry-on. Put liquids in a small bag and follow the security rules. Arrive early. This will make travel easier. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye and safe travels from English Time with Ben.